Far beneath the waves, beyond the light of the sun, lies a scar on the Earth's crust so deep it swallows entire mountains. This is no ordinary trench, it is the deepest point on our planet, a place so remote it may as well be another world entirely. The pressure there is crushing, the darkness eternal, and the silence ancient. When explorers first mapped the Pacific floor, their instruments faltered, trembling at the readings from a place they called the Mariana Trench. It sinks nearly 7 miles down, a chasm deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Scientists realize, even now, that it remains one of Earth's last great mysteries. The trench stretches for over 1,500 miles, curving like a wound carved by unseen hands. Its deepest point, the Challenger Deep, plunges into unimaginable darkness, a pressure zone intense enough to crush a steel sphere. Yet within that black void, something stirs, a faint echo of life in defiance of everything we know. To comprehend this abyss, imagine the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing upon every square inch of your body. At 36,000 feet below sea level, the pressure exceeds 16,000 pounds per square inch. Down there, metal bends, glass implodes, and human lungs would collapse instantly. For decades, we could only dream of visiting it. Our ships skimmed the surface, their sonar pings returning unreadable ghosts. Every expedition risked failure, machines shredded by pressure, signals lost in the stillness, and sensors frozen in the crushing cold. Then came the steel capsules, specially crafted submersibles like the Trieste, descendants of human obsession. In 1960, humans descended into the Challenger Deep for the first time. As they reached the bottom, their floodlights revealed a sight no one expected: pale, ghostly plains, silent and undisturbed for millions of years. They reported an eerie calm, disturbed only by tiny amphipods drifting through the water, fragile things surviving impossible conditions. Even here, life finds a way, shaping existence from minerals, darkness, and pressure. The very definition of life itself stretches under these alien rules. Later, robotic probes returned with strange samples, microbes living off rocks and chemicals rather than sunlight. Scientists realized entire ecosystems thrived around hydrothermal vents, converting Earth's internal heat into energy. It was a revelation that forever changed our understanding of life's origin. But deeper still, sonar detected shapes that defied explanation, dense masses that moved where nothing should exist. Some researchers dismissed them as errors, others as giant squid, or unknown geological movements. Yet whispers began among oceanographers of something vast, alive, and ancient. 2012, explorer James Cameron descended alone into this pitch-black maw. For hours, he drifted over a lifeless plain of gray silt, the only sound his own breath inside the cramped sub. When he surfaced, his words trembled. It felt like being on another planet, Earth's own alien world beneath the waves. The deeper one looks, the more one realizes that the trench isn't just a geological feature, it's a window into the planet's violent past. It marks where one tectonic plate dives beneath another, dragging the ocean floor into Earth's mantle. Down there, rock melts, water seeps, and new crust is born in volcanic fury. Scientists call it subduction, a relentless process shaping continents and mountains above. The Mariana Trench is both birthplace and graveyard of worlds, recycling Earth's skin through crushing heat and pressure. Every second, billions of tons of ocean floor vanish into unseen depths. Extreme lens imaging reveals silicate plumes rising from cracks like ghostly smoke. These mineral clouds may travel thousands of miles, feeding microscopic organisms that survive on chemical energy. The deep ocean is thus both apocalypse and cradle, destroying and nurturing in one breath. And yet, something odd lurks near the bottom, acoustic anomalies repeating at regular intervals. The Navy once recorded them, labeling them unidentified biological. Some frequencies mimic the resonance of whale songs, but others are far lower, like an unknown leviathan calling through the dark. In classified reports from the Cold War era, submarines supposedly encountered sonar shadows larger than aircraft carriers. The readings emerged from the same region, the southern axis of the trench. Whatever it was, it moved with deliberate, pulsating rhythm, vanishing as quickly as it appeared. To this day, oceanographers debate these events. Was it tectonic movement, a natural frequency born of shifting rock? Or did something vast and biological stir beneath the weight of the Pacific plate, older than the continents themselves? No definitive answer has ever been found. What we know for certain is that the trench acts like a recorder of Earth's history. Sediments there hold clues spanning hundreds of millions of years, a diary of extinctions, volcanic eruptions, and cataclysms long erased from the surface. It is the memory of the planet itself, buried in silence. The water at this depth contains more secrets, odd chemical isotopes, traces of material from meteorites, and unexplained heat signatures. Some scientists suggest mantle plumes connect directly to the trench's floor, creating microvolcanoes that breathe toxic gases into the abyss. It is a living system, evolving beneath perception. And life adapts in horrifying beauty. Fish with transparent flesh, jelly creatures with flashing organs, crustaceans plated in metallic compounds, living armor forged to endure the abyss. Many species still lack scientific names, known only from a flicker of footage or crushed remnants in deep-sea traps. Carbon studies reveal microorganisms that haven't evolved in eons, their lineages older than humanity itself. To touch them would be to reach into prehistory, to feel the breath of Earth's beginning. If life can survive here, it could thrive in oceans beyond our world. This connection between the Mariana Trench and extraterrestrial potential drives modern exploration. NASA scientists study deep-sea extremophiles to predict what might exist beneath the icy crust of Europa or Enceladus. In the crushing deep, we glimpse the blueprint of alien oceans. Still, humanity's measurements barely scratch the surface, less than 5% of the ocean floor is truly mapped. For every new probe we send, countless ridges, caves, and thermal vents remain uncharted. The ocean hides its heart well, concealing truths that question Earth's stability. Some researchers theorize that the trench's base may open into deeper fissures, vast cavities where seismic activity breeds monstrous caverns filled with superheated brine. If such caverns exist, they could represent the planet's true lowest points, zones untouched by sunlight or time itself. Imaging systems show distortions where density shifts dramatically, as if the ocean itself folds inward. Could the Earth's crust here be thinner, offering a glimpse into molten layers below? What if something unknown stirs there, neither human, nor geological, but something in between? It's tempting to romanticize such darkness, but the trench is merciless. Any structure, any machine, meets the fate of implosion. Even with 21st century technology, human presence there lasts mere hours before retreat becomes mandatory for survival. Despite these perils, exploration continues, driven not by profit or fame, but by an ancient hunger to understand where the Earth ends. Every descent is a confrontation with mortality, a fragile tether of metal and will battling nature's extremes. New drones now map in 3 dimensions, revealing twisted valleys and knife-edge ridges in ghostly clarity. Volcanic vents pulse like beating hearts, releasing plumes that cloud the water in metallic haze. The trench is alive, breathing through stone and steam. Among these vents, mysterious structures rise, mineral chimneys so precise they resemble architecture. Some grow several stories tall, assembled by mineral deposits and bacteria over millennia. They stand as cathedrals of the deep, silent witnesses to Earth's endless transformation. Acoustic monitoring continues to capture repeating sounds, deep tremors layered with unexplainable frequency signatures. No known geological event perfectly matches their rhythm, leaving the question open: are we listening to the Earth itself, or something hiding within it? Underneath this uncertainty lies a humbling truth: the Mariana Trench is proof that we have explored only the upper skin of our world. Below that surface, a different planet thrives, governed by alien physics and ancient biology. Humanity's dominion stops at the shoreline. Occasionally, bubbles of methane rise like forgotten ghosts, chemical signals of deep decay or unseen reactions. Some believe these gases could trigger colossal eruptions, tsunamis, or even atmospheric shifts if released suddenly. The abyss is not dormant, it is waiting. From satellites, the trench looks like a faint scar across the blue expanse, almost invisible. Yet its depth is so vast that if Mount Everest were placed inside, its peak would still be 1.5 miles underwater. It's the measure of Earth's own madness, limitless and terrifying. At night, above the trench, the ocean surface appears serene, reflecting the stars. Few ships linger here, the waves hum differently, the water colder, the atmosphere unnervingly still. Above and below lie 2 realms separated by more than distance, by understanding itself. We gaze into this darkness and are reminded of our fragility. The trench is not evil, but truthful, it mirrors the hidden depths within humanity. To explore it is to peer into our own shadows, finding beauty, terror, and revelation coiled together beneath the weight of the sea. The deepest point on Earth remains unconquered, not by depth reached, but by its enduring mystery. For every sample, every data line, new questions arise, clawing at the edges of comprehension. The abyss doesn't fear us, it simply waits, knowing we can never truly belong there.